When it comes to rearranging the tones inside the bank, the Valeton GP200 can't do that at the moment on the board. So if I wanted the Fanta top clean to come to the B section, and then the B section comes to the C, I can't do that on the board. So even if I click save, you realize there's no other option that says switch or move. Ideally, I have to get an option to change the position of the preset, then I save it. When you choose a different bank and you save it, it will overwrite the preset that's there, which isn't ideal. So let's do it on the software. To do that, you have to connect the USB-C to the USB port on the Valeton GP200, and then you connect it to the hub if you are using a Type-C style laptop, or you can connect this straight to the laptop. But you see, I have Type-C port only, that's why I'm using the hub. But you do not need this. You only need this if your laptop is only a Type-C style laptop. So after you connect it to the laptop, you would have to launch the Valeton GP200 software, and then after connecting successfully, you would see an interface similar to this. So you have options to use these particular buttons over here to move the preset around. So you can move the preset one step with this and that, or you can click this to put the preset at the very beginning, and you can click this. So let me do that. So you realize the preset goes to the very first position on the software and reflects automatically on the board as well. When you click this, it takes you to the very end of the preset, which is the last preset on the board. But I would want to move this all the way to 34C. You can drag the preset around till it gets to the point that you want. So basically, that's how to rearrange your preset on the Valeton GP200. You have the option to use these particular buttons to move them one step, or click this to take it to the very beginning, or click this to take it to the very end, or you can drag the preset around, move it to the spot that you prefer. And this is my A, this is my B, this is my C, and that's how it is. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.